So sa practical na naman services, as a teacher, nagugitan role to guide students. Kaya sa yung possible ilang notions di insakto. Diba? So dapat i-guide natin sila which is which. Sakto ba ilang insight or not. So of course, kung dili mo ilang insights regarding na particular topic, at least ato sila na correct. Ato pa correct. Okay, you have here. Asked, how will you apply what you have learned? So, saan man pag-apply what you have learned? So, kani kayo mga practical na mga questions. So, again, depende sa situations. Kung na typhoon, di ba? Kung sa'yo mong buhaton. Kung na earthquake, kung sa'yo mong buhaton. So, mga practical questions or situations nga, of course, ato na na-discuss, na-explain sa classroom na pwede na nilang gamiton. Okay? Sa real-world scenario. Then, describe certain mechanisms which will help both the learners and FASI to evaluate the attainment of their learning. So, muli itong sa application. Evaluation. The learners take stock of what they have learned. This includes activities, instruments to check understanding and commitment to the learning content. So, actually, sa mga teachers, dali rani. Pero sa dili teachers po, school heads, teachers, magyapon na sila. Katong mga AO, mapraktisan na po din. Teachers, magyapon na sila. And talk about assessment, naray dagang mga formats, dayon expected kay appeal naman mo ani, automatic. Appeal mo mas monitoring yan. Mapraktisan na ni siya. Okay, so, this is the flow. You have there, okay, experience. Based on experience, you can reflect, you can think, then you can act. And as center is experiential learning. Okay, again, through experience, you can reflect what happens. After reflecting, you can think. Kung sa'y dapat, bukaton, simple na kayo. Then, you can di ba? Dali ra gud kayo. Sa ato aning application, di ba? Naganitay makita sa unahan, oy. Dadagdag yung chance ana. Nakay chance nga makapalit ng isda nga nindot kayo ba? Bago kayong isda. Kabot ba ako ang budget? So it depends. Napatay na. Kadali.
Coach na sumpah ito.
Thank you, betul sumpah itu berarti. Langsung apa? Berapa deh?